Hey guys, it's Joseph here. Happy New Year's! During the 2023 SEMA show last November, BlackVue gave us an early holiday present. Finally hearing the dashcam community's wish, a 4K cloud dashcam upgraded with Sony STARVIS 2. So introducing the BlackVue DR970X Plus. In today's video, we're going to be showing you a glimpse of how the BlackVue DR970X Plus records footage. Then we're going to be putting out the review next week. This dashcam is available in 4 variants: the DR970X Plus standard dual channel, the IR, the LTE, which are basically an upgrade to the previous non-Plus models, and then there's the all-new DR970X Plus box. All of these models have the same image sensor, so what we're going to show you today represents all of them. We did record this with the standard 2-channel. We're also going to compare this side by side to the older BlackVue DR970X to directly see how these new sensors have improved things too. So let's start off with some daytime footage. This was recorded just a few days ago before Christmas in Seattle, Washington, so this is going to be bright and pretty. It was a good opportunity for us to test the dashcam, especially during the time when more travelers are on the road and highways. Now, compared to the previous DR970X model, the Plus features an advanced sensor, lens, and enhanced image compression technology. For the image sensor, the Plus now records clearer and more vibrant 4K footage through its 8-megapixel Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, the same used in the ThinkWare U3000 and the Viofo A229 Pro. Beyond the image sensor, we also discovered that BlackVue changed its lens as well. The main camera has been upgraded from a 7-element lens from f2.8 to an impressive f1.7, capturing more light for clearer footage. It seems that the larger lens required a redesign of the camera casing. Because of this, the Plus's sensor can capture more light and provide images with greater brightness without raising the ISO. Here, we also noticed a huge improvement in capturing fast-moving objects too. The new Plus series has a faster shutter speed over its predecessor, 3 times quicker to be exact, as BlackVue claims. Coupling it with the higher bitrate of up to 60 megabits per second on the front cam, you can see smoother videos even on speedy highways right here. The Plus also carries H.265 compression technology, which enables the camera to record at 60 megabits per second. H.265 files will be larger due to the added detail, and we appreciate the option to choose H.264 instead of smaller files, recording a max of 25 megabits per second. Now during the day, we can see how much the DR970X Plus has improved. Let's move over to the nighttime footage, which is something we get asked a lot. Let's move on to the nighttime, side by side between these two models. Despite the lack of lighting on this highway, we can see that the DR970X Plus automatically adjusts light and contrast, while the DR970X looks a bit more darker and more grainy. The Plus looks more stable and smooth here on the highway due to the ISP tuning software, which is something BlackVue specializes in. Here, you're going to see that the Plus is able to read the road signs even if the only source of lights are a few lampposts here. Let's try pausing the video of the road sign on the opposite lane. Notice how blurred the DR970X was. We can read Northgate Way, but it's quite unclear. Unlike the Plus, which shows the exit road signs bright and clear. Now let's drive to a place where there are more lights. What could be the difference? Let's start here at the stoplight. There goes the green light and the bunch of cars with their headlights on. Switching lanes, we can clearly see the license plates of this blue Hyundai in front of us and even the gray Audi beside it. And look how vibrant this is. We can see the Seattle Space Needle glowing on the right side. Stopping at the pedestrian lane, the Plus can recognize the faces of the people crossing too. It's clear compared to the older models, where you can barely see the facial features of people nearby the car. We can see how big the lady's smile is at the camera right there. We can see that the Plus captures stunning videos, especially with the colorful lights around. We're moving past parked cars and we can still see their license plates clearly. And when parked, the DR970X just looks darker, while the Plus shows lighter footage. Just look at this tree beside the building. Overall, the Plus footage has improved a lot compared to the DR970X series. The Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 image sensor promises better dynamic range and sensitivity, in addition to an outstanding f1.7 lens upgrade for better light capture. We also love the 3 times faster shutter speed, so motion blur is reduced, providing crisper daytime and nighttime footage. If you're curious about more updates and improvements, stay tuned as we're going to share more fresh features soon in our in-depth review. And that's the DR970X Plus. Watch out for a launch special of these dashcams in BlackboxMyCar soon. And for now, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button to our channel to get the latest updates and news on BlackboxMyCar. Thanks for watching.